Sick of messy cables? YCLYC TV Cord Hider. The easiest way to tidy up your TV setup in 5 minutes. Say goodbye to cable chaos, a quick fix for your TV setup. Are tangled cables ruining your living room vibe? YCLYC's 39-inch TV cord hider is your one-stop solution to a sleek, clean setup. This clever little cord cover comes in 3 easy-to-install sections that can hold up to 6 cables, hiding everything from HDMI to Ethernet wires. With its smooth white finish, it blends seamlessly with any modern decor, turning your messy, tangled cords into an invisible, organized setup. Stop stressing over visible cables. This cord cover will transform your entertainment center into a pristine, professional-looking space in no time, without the need for tools or frustration. Big on capacity, small on space, the ultimate cord concealer. Worried your cords will still peek through? YCLYC's cord hider isn't just sleek, it's also surprisingly spacious. With a capacity to hide up to 6 cables, that's 4 HDMI or 6 Ethernet wires, this 1.5-inch wide, 0.75-inch high cover gives you plenty of room to stash all those cables. Whether you're setting up your wall-mounted TV, desktop, or gaming console, this compact cord cover provides maximum concealment without taking up much space. It's the perfect size for a seamless look that fits into any setup, all while keeping your cables neat and secure for years to come. Super easy installation, no tools, no mess, just results. Let's face it. Nobody has time for complicated setups. YCLYC's TV cord hider takes the stress out of installation with its quick and simple, tool-free process. Forget about drilling holes or dealing with messy screws, just stick the 3 double-sided adhesive strips onto your clean wall, and you're done. The adhesive is strong enough to keep everything in place but easy to remove if needed, without damaging your walls. This cable management solution is perfect for renters or anyone who loves a clean look without the hassle of permanent fixtures. Get your tidy, cable-free setup in under 5 minutes. Built to last, quality you can trust. When it comes to cord management, durability is key, and YCLYC's TV cord hider delivers on that front. Made from high-quality PVC, this cord concealer is not only sturdy but also flame-resistant, UL 94V0 rated. Whether you're in a home with kids or pets, this durable cover ensures your cords stay safe and your home remains tidy. It's also built to handle wear and tear, ensuring your wires stay hidden without worrying about the cover falling apart. The high-quality material offers better insulation than cheaper alternatives, protecting your cables and providing peace of mind for years. Stylish, customizable, and safe, it's all about the details. Who said wire covers have to be boring? YCLYC's cord hider isn't just practical, it's also stylish. The white finish fits perfectly with any home decor, but if you're feeling creative, you can paint it to match your walls. The smooth, modern design blends seamlessly with your room, and the upgrade hinge design makes it easy to add or remove cables whenever you need to. Plus, the product is flame retardant, so it keeps your electronics safe while looking great. It's more than just a cover, it's an investment in both aesthetics and safety. No more ugly cords or tripping hazards. Get the YCLYC TV cord hider today and transform your home into a cable-free haven that's both sleek and safe.